This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to block third-party cookies on Mac. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Third-party cookies or tracking cookies are one of three types of cookies. They are created and placed on a user device by websites other than the one the user is visiting. Cookies themselves serve to facilitate the user's experience and some care website function. While they enhance the user experience, third-party cookies can pose security risk. So for this reason, in this video, I will show you how to block the third-party cookies on your MacBook browser. It's very simple. So first of all, if you're using Chrome as your default browser, you can open the Chrome. From here, you can go to the settings by clicking on the three dots over here. You can go to settings, choose on settings. From here, you can choose on privacy and security. Now you can go to security. You can go to third-party cookies in here. By default, your third-party cookies is allowed. And if you want to block it, you can just tap in here. Choose on block third-party cookies. So now, after you block third-party cookies, sites can use third-party cookies to personalize content and ads, learn about action you take on other sites, unless you allow related sites to access them. And also, sites can still use cookies to see browsing activity on their own site. Site features that rely on third-party cookies may not work. So now you have blocked the third-party cookies on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to block third-party cookies on MacBook. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.